Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I'm going to show how OpenBOM can create part catalog for Solidworks from a folder. You probably have many Solidworks files located in the folders. They might be in local folders and they might be also in the cloud file storages like Dropbox and Google Drive. OpenBOM can help you to create part catalog from those files, extract information, and then to allow you to use these catalogs when you create bill of materials. So let me show you how it works. For this example, I have a work catalog with a few files, and I will use OpenBOM plugin for Solidworks, and I will configure my settings, including template that can define what properties to extract from files, and I will run the command to create catalog from a folder. So I will select work catalog and I create catalog. So OpenBOM plugin runs quick, extract information, and I can open this part catalog and I can see the information from those files. 7 files, 7 items in the catalog. I can use this catalog in a bill of materials. Now look what happens and what will happen if you will add additional files to this catalog. So let me go back to this File Explorer, and I will take few additional files and I will move them to this catalog. Now we have 10 files, and I will go back to my Solidworks plugin and I will update information in the catalog from this folder. So what happens now? OpenBOM make analysis of the folder, and information in the catalog is updated. So I can locate this catalog, and we see that now there are 10 files, 10 items in this catalog, and I can use this catalog when I want to build bill of materials. So to sum up what you've seen, OpenBOM can create catalog, part catalog from folders, and you can use these catalogs when you create different bill of materials using OpenBOM. Thank you for watching this video, and talk to you soon.